Hi, this is my demonstration for homework 4. So task 1A is right here. As you can see, it's just what we did in class, just one cylinder which rotates around this sphere. Task 1B, also done in class. It's just adding a second cylinder, so it's a T-shape and it rotates, and it's attached to the first cylinder. So just like that. Now for task 2, I added some legs and some fingers. I added 4 fingers to each side of the second cylinder, and they spin around, they rotate, and the whole thing still rotates as well. So for task 3, I took this stickman shape and I had it translate around in a circular path, and you can also see that it rotates itself around a bit slowly, but it does. And the fingers are still spinning, and yep, it just goes around in a circle. So yep, that's it, and thanks for watching.